Simplify metal scrap TDS with Busy. Hello. Are you a metal scrap dealer and worried about how to deduct TDS and file the GSTR7 return? Now, with Busy, this process has become much easier. Through Busy, you can easily enter your TAN-based GSTIN, manage threshold limits with timely warnings, create GSTR7 with just one click. Let's now see how you can incorporate this process in Busy. First, go to Administration, Configuration, Features and Options, and then select the GST VAT tab. Now, enable Are you a tax deductor option. After that, specify your TAN-based GSTIN number here and save the configuration. Now, we need to create 3 TDS accounts: TDS CGST, TDS SGST, and TDS IGST. We have already created the required accounts. Let's open one account master in Modify mode, and here, specify the group as Duties and Taxes, and in the tax type, select the relevant option for the account you are creating. For example, if you are creating the TDS CGST account, you will select TDS CGST for purchase in the tax type. Similarly, you have to create the other 2 accounts, that is TDS SGST and TDS IGST, in the same way. The next step is to create the TDS bill sundries. You will need to create 3 bill sundries: TDS CGST, TDS SGST, and TDS IGST. We have already created these bill sundries. Let's open one bill sundry in Modify mode. Here's how you do it. Select bill sundry type as subtractive. Select bill sundry nature as per the bill sundry you are creating. Set the default value. Set Adjust in Purchase Amount to No. Specify the relevant TDS account in the account field. Set bill sundry calculation to taxable amount. Now, let's enter a purchase voucher. Specify header related details, select the item, specify the quantity and price. Now, firstly apply the normal GST in the bill sundry, and after that apply TDS which needs to be deducted. Let's enter another voucher. Here, you can see that the threshold limit has been crossed and TDS has not been applied in the bill sundry. As a result, Busy has prompted with a warning. You can now select the appropriate option. Next, we will make the TDS payment. And here, we will select the TDS GST payment option. Finally, go to Display, GST Reports, GST Returns and select GSTR7. Specify the date range and generate the report. With Busy, you can generate the file in both JSON and government template formats, which can then be uploaded to the portal to easily file the GSTR7. So, isn't Busy the perfect solution for managing TDS on GST for the metal scrap business? To purchase or upgrade Busy, contact your nearest channel partner or call us at this number. For more informational videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.